Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Honey is way better, I believe. But for black tea for energy, sugar. Guys, let's go. 7X. Well, fireball. 7X for the whole grid. Look at that, dude. Look at it go. We got here 3,000. 500X blocks you. Wow. Everything is right, guys. Everything is right. I'm just telling you. Well, of course, we got red, right? 210X, guys. Right. No balling like we're in the NBA, basically. Great doing business with you guys.
With Monster Mash. Sorry, guys. Got confused. So, hey, hi, and welcome to Monster Mash. Let's mash him. 1 for the leg, 5 for the body, 3 for the head. 9X Monster Boy. Congratulations to the winners. Take his hand. Let's go. Rob 1, aces, and Rumru, your top 3. Good job. Betting time is open. Place your bets. Let's go, go. Like in the last 10 rounds, we've had What do you mean it's sleepy time? Not even close. Not yet, at least. Okay, here we go. 2x on 16, battery charger, 10x on 4, hotspot. Hey, XD, how you doing? What's up? How's your weekend? What day is today, guys? Oh, it's Monday. Yes, exactly. 10 with Monster Mash.
It's the Monster Mash.
Welcome to Monster Mash again. So let's mash this boy. Guys, those are the biggest pair of legs I've ever seen. 50 export legs. No wonder there's a chain there. This guy broke out of somewhere. 20 for the... Wow, wow, wow. Have you ever seen a guy this huge? 220X monster boyfriend. This guy will smash through doors for you. He will smash through walls for you. Congrats to winners, Ramblon, Aces, and Marek. Your top 3, well done. Did you see that guy? We were saying, beef him up, and that was a beefy guy.
I needed that. I need it. Come on. Where's my lightning storm? We need it for the storm chases. Especially if we can get it with a wheel multiplier on it. That would be even better. You know? Alright, here we go. We got a 3x for 513. Is that like a car? I think it's like a BMW behind you or what? Hey, yo, what up? We're going for number 3. We're going for a monster mash. Let's go.
It's the Monster Mash.
Monster mash. A monster. Let's go build another monster for the players. Let's see what we got going on. 3x for the feet for the body. We're gonna get that 50. Okay. Proper body. What about a head? We'll get it in there. Let's go. The body gets multiplied. 300x, 18x for the feet. 318x. Look at that beautiful little pretty princess we upgraded. Let's go. 1,367 winners. Let's go. 318x.
Alright, so some things in life you probably could always get a little bit more, right? But I feel like with most things in life, it's like you gotta have moderation to them. Well, let's see here, guys. Ooh, number 13 and 7x Monster Mash. What a way to kick off our bonus games here, huh? For this session. Well, here we are, folks. First things first, 7x on all those body parts. Let's do it. Pump those bad boys up. Okay, and now, guys, are you ready? Let's do this. What kind of monster are we building this time? Okay, 14x legs, 28x torso, and then a 6x golden head as well. How much even is that? 252x, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, there you guys can see up there. You know, you wouldn't look at this guy and think of 252x.
That's about quick and easy. 5x. Quickie on the battery here gives us a 5x arena multiplier arena, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Enos. Very nice and Enos. 1,029 with us. Yeah. We got 81 euros level of Lido. Tito, Alex, and Joe, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice. Oh yeah, so it's tailor because it has a thread and a needle, you know, so that makes it tailor. Bone ivory, like ivory bone, you know. Ivory the color, bone's a bone, and a dog with a bone in the hand, in the mouth. But actually, ladies and gentlemen, playing Path of Exile. That's kind of pretty visual, I think, huh? But actually, ladies and gentlemen, 5x there, 15 and 12. And good luck to you. And here comes the welcome lightning storm. Out of place, now this is good luck to ladies and gentlemen. Stone chase us, X chase us. Good luck to ladies and gentlemen. If you listen to those remaining songs or Mary GFDC, really, can you be merciful? Oh, slams glam, 5x 15, Carabast, baby. There it is, 5x and 15, Monster Mash, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Electromagnetic field, ladies and gentlemen, everything you're going through it, apart from gold, gets multiplied by 5, ladies and gentlemen, which is awesome. All those body parts, very nice. We're ready to pull the lever down, ladies and gentlemen, and maybe we'll hit big this time, you know, bag it. 25 in there, 25 in there already, ladies and gentlemen. 50x. Oh, 1500X multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. EA rolls! Ha! Bam! 1,025 winners. Enjoy 3,750 of the Mr. Ever band play 3,565.
Middle is the hot test. 100X in middle, some doubles areas. Double. Ooh, 200X and 300X is joining the crew. That's how we rock and roll, baby. That's how we rock and roll. Thank you, congratulations. Let's go back. 757 winners in the round. Betting time's all yours. Good luck. Let your mind create the rest of the scenario. Yeah, but they would probably never allow it. Never ever. 5X on 4. No way there is such a thing. Storm, ladies and gentlemen, let's go fire it up. Hi, welcome to the lightning storm, ladies and gentlemen. Choose your strike. First, second, and the third strike. I bet Jeffrey's super interested in this one now. Woke up. All right, the middle strike is becoming even more hotter. There we go, strike number 1. Sun goes down. Ooh, 250X, who, baby? Let's go. 250 strike number 1. How about strike number 2? That's 45X. Number 3. Here I am, 40X. 250 on strike number 1, though. Here I am. 769 winners in the round. Betting time's all yours. On Fireball Monster Mash Hotspot. And are we too slow for that lightning storm? Go, 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 go. Go! Ooh, look at that! Boom! Ladies and gentlemen, another lightning storm. What is happening? Segment number 20. Oh, here we go again. See out there. Again, lightning storm. Let's go. All right, decision time all yours once again. Choose your strike. First, second, or third. Once again, you can leave it to auto pick as you wish. Well, last seconds left. All right, you ready? Let's go. Strike number 1 with the multi on top, of course. 3X global again. Let's go. All right, what are we striking here? What? Look at that! 375X for strike number 1. Let's go. Moving on. Strike number 2. Let's see what you got there, guys. Boom. 20 and 15 at 35X for strike number 2. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, last one, strike number 3. What are we getting here? Boom, 10, 15, 20. That's going to be a 45X for strike number 3. Wow, strike number 1 carried this one. That's insane. I mean, well done, everyone. Congratulations.
got 1,710 winners. Amazing. Great job. 29,000, 4.3 thousand euros. Enjoying your betting time. Let's go again. Oh, bye indeed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, betting time's over. Let's go again. Jeff, did you get this one? No more bet.
Lower multipliers in battery chargers, because you know there was 75X and 50X, and we got 750X. I'm just so happy for you. 2X on Fireball, have 4X on Lightning Storm. I'd love to see it. We all would. Come on. Come on. Boom! Woo-hoo! Ladies and gentlemen, we got it. We got it. It is Lightning Storm with 4X from Top Spot. Ladies and gentlemen, woo! Let's go. Oh, wow. To the roof. Here we are, guys, on the roof. Are you ready for this? Oh, wow. The multipliers get the 4X multiplier from Top Spot. Decision time is yours. Guys, lightning strike number 1, number 2, or number 3. Which one is it going to be? Majority are going for lightning strike number 2. Here we go. Lightning strike number 1. 160X. Lightning strike number 2. 120X. And lightning strike number 3. With a global multiplier times 2. Woo! Oh, wow. Let's see this. 400X for lightning strike number 3. Woo! Winners in total. Guys.
Good luck, guys. You know what, though, guys? We need more fireballs. Congratulations, winners. We need to get fireball. Good luck, guys. Here we go. I'm doing pretty good today, guys. I'm doing pretty good on this one. Welcome to Newcomers Auto Plays available. Check out Storm Chase for next year's features. 2X on 8, 4X on 1 goal. I bet you bonus today, yeah. Here we go. No way. Guys, easy. Easy. 4X on 1. Lightning Storm.
Lightning storm.
Easy, guys. Typically, Lightning Storm is good multiplied and Fireball is good multiplied. So this should be pretty good. We're going to 4X everything. You have decent odds here, guys. Pick the right strike, 1, 2, or 3. Solid odds here to get something good. Strike 1, here we go. So far in the entire session, by the way. All right, strike 2. Bam. Not bad, though. 160 is still pretty good. Okay, let's see if strike 3 can beat 280. Also the same. Not bad, pretty good. Pretty good. winners. Pretty good, guys. Congratulations.
Congrats to the winners, Kent, Nuvo, and Get Goose to your top 3. Well done. Betting time is open. Let's go. So yeah, lightning storm, last lightning storm was 80, 40, 40. In last 12 hours, the highest multiplier was 1500X on lightning storm at 524 UTC. Lightning storm with 4X on number 8. Let's go, party rockers. Follow me, guys. Welcome to lightning storm, everybody. Here we are. We got the wall with the multipliers, but we're gonna apply the wheel multiplier. So 1600X at the top. We got 2X, 3X, 5X at the bottom that we could also strike as to further multiply the whole thing. But now's your chance. Last seconds actually to choose your strike. 1, 2, or 3. Which one of them do you usually will get the biggest lightning? Starting off with number 1. Come on, baby. Hit me with your best shot. Okay, that is 160X. Juicy-licious. Okay, moving on to strike number 2. We are gonna apply a multiplier of 5X. Insane in the brain. 800X at the top. Looking juicy. Okay, hit it, baby. Here I am. Okay, that is 800X on strike number 2. Strike number 2. Will anyone be able to beat you? After that 5X? I don't think so, but who knows? Let's see. Okay, yeah, that is 160X again. So 160, 800, and 160. Congratulations to the winners. I'll see you downstairs. Special compliments to strike number 2 with 800X. And welcome back. Woo, that was fun. Congrats to the winners. Nuevo, everybody, good job. Betting time is open. Let's go. Well, that was juicy. No more bets. Did you guys get it? Did you get the lightning storm? Did you get the 800X? Delicious. So 3X on 2 fireball, 3X on 19 hotspot. You got strike.
Time's open. Feel free to place your bets, guys. Not always one, Nestor. Since we have like a limited amount of numbers, we're gonna hit the same ones, of course, you know. So let's go. But not always one. So yeah, that's the thing. Can be a leaf too. Decent bonus, yeah. Some from time to time. Yeah, bingo plus. We have 5X on 11 and 10X on 5. Lightning storm on 12. Hey. Well, hey, check it out, guys. Hey, number 11. We have a battery charger with a 5X on it, so let's rush to the battery charger, everybody, now. With the 5X, all right, we can do some serious damage with that. 375X, the highest multiplier up in here. It's right there at the top. All right, guys, boom. Let's see where we have it. No 15. Woo. 75. We want a gold multi, though. 25. No way. X2. Okay. We're heating up here. 750 at the top. 300. Second best option on board, guys. 300X right here. Battery charger, guys. We're cooking. Smells good. 300X.
Well done. 1,041 winners in total, and here we go, guys. Hi, fellow. All right. Here we go. Autoplay options, shot options, edge chaser, storm chaser options available. Don't forget you can also check out the previous round results if you're interested. Let's go. Let's see what we get in this round. We got 2x on a lightning storm, 25x on battery charger. Come on. Come on. Boom! That is battery charger with 25x top slot. Guys, this is insane. This is insane. Let's go. Woo-hoo! Oh, wow. Insanity. 25x. All right, guys. Maximum multiplier now is going to be 1000x. Are you ready for this? Battery number 1. No. Battery number 2. No. All right, battery number 3, 750x. No. Battery number 4. Also no. What about battery number 5? 375x. No. Battery number 6. No. Battery number 7, 500x. Also no. We got 3 batteries left, guys. It's not battery number 8. So battery number 9 is 1000x. No, but we get battery number 10, 750x. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, that is a spectacular multiplier here at Battery Charger. Well done. 1,238 winners in total. Okay, it's time to lower my voice up. I feel like I've screamed my voice up in the past couple of days, you know. Here we go.
Stay there, stay there, stay. Let's go. W's in the chat for the players. 125x shot of the fireball. Woo-wee. Let's go. That's great. 125x shot of fireball. Let's go. Wonderful stuff. Enjoy the winnings, guys. CI, Sully, Paulette, also player with the top winnings here. Let's go. 125x. 100,400 winners out here. Very good stuff. Let's see what else we can get for that players. Let's go, go, go. 2 seconds rolling through to start it up with another round here. The betting time is closed. Let's go. Boom. 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 Simply lovely. So, 7x on the hotspot, 10x on the hotspot coming up on number 19. Come on, please. Get me to number 19, please. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Number 19, monster. Sorry, no, hotspot. Hotspot with a 10x on it. Yee-haw! Hey! Hey, look at that. Isn't that just lovely? Number 19, hotspot with a 10x on it. Let's apply that 10x to the beautiful board right now. And with the help of it, tap multipliers 1000x, and we only have one of them hiding around. You gotta go and find it. That's your mission. That's your task. You gotta find where on this beautiful board of 108 multipliers to 1000x could be hiding out. Oh, broski, you gotta get it. You gotta get it if you want it. It's a little too much, too stressful to leave it up in the hands of Autopic to do the job for you. We'll get you a round of result. Let's start the reveal. It's definitely not gonna be on the bottom side as it seems for now. Or the top. Top left, definitely not there. It's gonna be to the top right as it seems. Here's the 400x's, the 500x's, the 1000x in the middle of it all. Now all the eyes, all the attention to the double zone. Could be lines right next to there. 800x's, 400x's, 300x's, and 200x with the help of the double zone. Let's go! What a round! Got our first 1000x out of the session.
Multis are as they follow. 3x and 18, 4x and number 4, and both of them are for battery charger. Honestly, I wouldn't mind some multis for battery charger. Let's take a look. Where we going? Where we going? Can we do another one? Ooh, that is going to be a lead between 4 and 5, very close to it. Congratulations to all of the winners who are going with this. Hi, Jason. Hello, how you doing, dear? 122 winners, 1,156 euros for the top winner. Enjoy the victories, betting time. Hi, Jason. How you doing? How you feeling? How's life treating you? Are you guys excited for spring? It's gonna be here, Metakos, thank you. The spring season officially starts around 21st of March here in Latvia. So
few more days and it will be officially spring and winter will be gone. Take care, guys. I'm waiting. Okay. Bye-bye. I hope you have a great night. 3x on 8, 7x on 7, 15x on number 5. Take care as well. Let's take a look what do we have in store. Wait a second. Can we actually make it? Please, 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 please. Guys, I'm really excited right now. Number 5 with a 15x multi for the hotspots. Oh, honey. Welcome everybody to hotspot. 100x is highest, but now 15x multi on top. So the highest will be 1,000. 1,500. Decision time. Whatever you feel like the hottest location is at. You can go with the auto pick option as well. I mean, this is quite a big choice to make here, guys. Decision time is over. All right, starting up at 45s. And some 100x are already approaching, which is already great. Where's that? But we want that 1,500. 1,500. Where you at? Where you at? And there it is. But it is not yet over because we're adding that 2x multiplier and everything. And those are going to be the ones on the sides. Congratulations to all the winners. I really do hope you get that 1,500x multi. I love this song. Compliments to all the winners, 762 of you. Already 6,000 euros for the top winner. And you're the victories with 1,500.
It's fun. Back to the wheel. 1,085. Winners in this round. Osa, He, and JXCPOT. Congratulations to Bets Open Up players. Some of you listen to podcasts. What do you find entertaining on the interwebs? All right, that's enough. Bets Claus. Thank you, players. Good luck to you. Now, wheel multipliers are. You see a 2x in number 10, a 3x in number 6. You are yet to see a lightning storm. Winning segment for this round. A number 6 lightning storm with a 3 times multiplier. I'll take the elevator. I'll see you at the rooftop. Good day, players. Welcome to the party. The weather is perfect for what's about to go down. Now, thanks to the wheel modifier, we enhance the billboard's values threefold. You have a decision to make, players. We're expecting some lightning strikes. Which of these 3 strikes will bring you the best result? You can let the game decide for you as well. Decision time is up. Lightning strike number 1. 135x. Second lightning strike. Okay, that's 1,500x, players. Third and final strike with a global multiplier involved. A 2x, improving the billboard's values even further. A 120x multiplier as your third strike. So there's 135x, 1500x, and 120x. Well, that was memorable. Congratulations to the winners. 1,042 total winners in this round. He, with a 1,500x multiplier, earning more than 19,000 euros. Beautiful job. Bets are open now. Shane, rock and roll is still alive. Let's go, champ. Bets are closed. Good luck. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Wheel multiplier 2x and a 9, 3x and a number 18. Good luck, players. Here's the number 7, Monster Mash. Let's go.
If this game uses money, So be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.